What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? MikeOfAllTrades. Yo, today we're going to take a look at the Berserk cabinet from Midway Toys. So they sent me this a while ago for review. Life's been busy, but you know. So you guys see it comes out the box, very well packaged. They always ship stuff very, very well, you know. So again, don't mind my Bullet Club shirt. I know y'all can see the reflections. But you know, 6 scale, plays Berserk and Frenzy, things of that nature. But yeah, so we're going to peel the plastic because that's what we do around these parts. Listen to that ASMR. And just like that, we have her naked. So, as we can see, like it's nice, you know, it's really cool. So it folds open like this. Let's see if we do it this way. Let me adjust the camera real quick. Okay, so let's open it up and let's let you guys get the first look. Okay, so inside the box you guys can see the Berserk logo. It's right there. And inside of it, foam. Again, Midway Toys, they package this stuff really well. You also get coins and sticky tape. There is a bat top that's in there that's not supposed to be used for actual play. There's a metal bracket on here that I heard is supposed to go across the arcade. And it feels like a kick plate as well. But we'll look at a little bit at it in a second. Let's get it all the way out. And there she is. All besides the power cable, there is a power cable as well. But yeah, let's get her out. Rise from your grave. Yes, I know it's Ultra Beast. Somebody can say in the comments like, that's Ultra Beast. Yeah, I know. Let's get this box out of the way. And yeah, man. Yeah, look at it. Let's get her all undressed, shall we? Oh, that's really clean. It's actually really clean. Look at that. So I don't know if it has any charge in it or not, but let's just take a quick look. Press here. How about when we press here? Oh. Hey, look at that. Oh, that's cool. So there's like a, this is metal too. Yeah, that's metal. So look, they put like a actual like printed like PCB like mock-up in there. That's actually pretty freaking dope. I'm assuming we can just slide it back in. Yeah, look at that. That's awesome. See, that's attention to detail, man. Yo, never let it be said that Midway Toys does not pay attention to detail. Bat top's already on there. There's your fire button right here. And there's a fire button on this side as well. And then your player 1 and 2 buttons. Okay. Let's go ahead and let us peel off the sticky tape. The stickiest substance. Okay, so let's grab it from over here and listen to that pull. Yes, she is naked now. The screen looks really good. The Berserk logo on the top. The marquee looks really good. And then, you know, the coin doors at the bottom. Here's some of the side art for the cabinet. It's got a nice, like, matte feel to it. It's got a nice little matte feel to it. It doesn't feel cheap. None of the graphics feel like they're going to come off or anything of that nature. The top does house the volume rocker, and along with the power button, so we can turn it on. The back of the machine has the customary lock because, you know, we're simulating real arcades. And then you've got the power cable. This is not actual power. This is where the little power cable thing will go. And then you've got USB ports. You can plug it in, and then it does charge USB-C Type-C, and you've got HDMI out. If only other companies will put HDMI out on their products. Inside of that bag, you had the Berserk instructions, kind of like the manual. you know, and this is from Midway Toys, you know, stating, and then warning: big black top joystick is not for display and only for not recommended for gameplay. So, you know, and again, it says that in here as well. There's your black top. You've got your coins, which you get 4 of those. This is the faux power cord, the power cable that I was saying goes in the back. You've got a kick plate, and you've got the bar for the arcade. So let's throw this stuff on and see how it looks. Before I do put the coin lock on there, I do want to show that the coin door does open, and you can insert the coins in there because they come into the little receptacle. So that's a pretty good detail. Again, Midway Toys is always really good with the details. So let's get the bar and stuff on here and see how it goes. So again, bars to prevent those dirty thieves and the dirty thieves from getting in the change thing. So let's get it on. Once again, it's not necessary, but again, you can put it on. It's attention to detail that Midway Toys uses. Again, this was magnetic, and this stuck on via a strip. Now, one of the things they do include besides the bad top is the Atari stickers, because this was owned by Stern, and now it's owned by Atari. So you can put the Atari stickers on here on the panel, like right there and stuff, if you really want to. That's a personal choice. I don't think I'm going to do it, but you definitely can. So we're going to press a button, let's power it up, and hopefully this thing gets some juice. Okay. We got, it's red. It might be dead. 1 second. And just like any real arcade, it does need juice. So let's hit the button and let's see if that makes a little bit of difference. There we go. It's lighting up. Marquee looks really good. Get the Midway Toys logo on the screen, the replicade amusements, and the Atari logo. But the question is this thing loud? And there we go.
Charge it. Destroy it.
I'm playing really reckless right now.
Intruder alert, intruder alert. Intruder. Chicken, fight like a robot.
Nah, bruv. Fight like a robot. I'm getting up out of here. Yeah.
Intruder alert, intruder alert. Charge the chicken.
Yeah, I'm out.
Chicken, fight like a robot.
Oh no.
Destroy it.
Nah, bro.
Humanoid.
Son of a biscuit. And the attract mode is actually really cool. Like just watching it do its thing. It's really cool. It's really loud. Let's see if we can load up some frenzy. So if you want to get into the menu, press player 1 and player 2 at the same time, and you can mess around in here. You can change the flicker for frenzy, things of that nature. And yeah, just wanted to show you guys how to do that. And this is where you're going to come in to switch games as well. So by hitting the fire button, you can do that. You can choose frenzy or berserk, and then fire again. And now you'll see it's rebooting up. And now it's going into frenzy. So same thing with frenzy, has a couple differences. You can coin up, things of that nature. Coin up and everything else. And you can make it so that the screen does flicker. So if we push that and then we go to marquee flicker, it is on. And then You can have it go for 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and things of that nature. So, see, it's flickering and things of that nature. So, yeah. And that's actually a really cool friggin' feature. And then by hitting 1 player and 2 player, you're back in the game. So now you guys can see that it flickers and whatnot. And again, yeah, it's pretty cool. Should have put a seizure warning in there for anybody who might be watching this. And you guys can see the bullets. They do vibrate off the walls. So yeah, that's actually pretty cool as well. So overall, Berserk from Midway Toys, it's actually probably one of the best ones they've ever done that I've gotten to touch and put my hands on. Just like the little details, the metal bar, the kick plate, even the flashing marquee in Frenzy. Like, that's kind of nuts, man, because from what I understand and from what I've seen before, like, the marquee flashes on Frenzy. So it's pretty cool to see that kind of detail added into it. If you want this, I think there's still maybe a couple left on the website. I have the link in the description. Yo, shout out to Midway Toys for sending me this for review. I'm MikeOfAllTrades. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.